Hey there, so here's an update on my Linux adventures. So this laptop right here is running Debian 12 Linux, and it's using some sort of desktop fancy thing called KDE Plasma. So basically it looks like Windows, and I was just wondering if it would be any faster than Windows 10. And yes, if I press the start menu or something, yes, that is definitely faster. If I open up a file here, yeah, that's about the same as Windows. Let's just open up a file on Windows real quickly here. If I just... Boop. Okay, so it's slightly slower on Windows. To be fair, the Athlon laptop, which is this one right here, is actually significantly faster than this one over here, but they're both running SSDs. The left one's NVMe and that one's SATA. Though the thing is, that one doesn't have any animations, and then this one does. But when it comes to web browsing, this doesn't feel any more special than just regular Windows, because it does actually lock up at times, just like normal Windows does. So I don't exactly understand where, well, people get that Linux is faster. Don't get me wrong, I really like this operating system, because it is actually pretty useful for older computers, because Windows 10 is losing support somewhat soon, and Windows 11 won't work on older computers unless you hack it onto it, and then you won't be able to do Windows updates. I know because I've tried. Windows updates don't work. I can get security updates until the version of Windows 11 I have is unsupported, which is going to be about 1 year, so I'd have to basically reinstall Windows 11 pretty much constantly. But Debian 11, it runs on old stuff, and it's supported until 2000, I don't know what year. It's 5 years of support. It just was released recently, like within the last month. So this is basically the best operating system for older computers, which is nice, but I just don't understand where people say it is faster than Windows. By the way, this is the CPU. This is the Scorecard in Cinebench R23. So, not awesome, but it's not bad either. Oh wait, maybe it's not that CPU. Maybe it's that one. No. It used to be that one, and then I put the T9400 in it, I think. I don't know, I don't remember. Let me see if I can find a program to see what CPU's in this. I forgot. I know I upgraded it. Just let me try to find it. One moment, please. Alright, I figured it out. It took me a while, but I got something installed called CPU-X. And yeah, the CPU is a Core 2 Duo T9400, and the motherboard is that. System, whatever that means, is that. Graphics is whatever that is, and plus of it. Sorry, someone just came in. Either way, yeah, this isn't anything insanely high-end, but it does actually still lag when I'm, for example, watching YouTube and open up a new tab on Google, for example. It takes it quite a few seconds, or the video might stop playing its video back. And this happens on Windows 10 as well. It's not really a surprise. But yeah, Linux isn't really any better in terms of that, but I do definitely like it because in terms of support, it's awesome. And I do want to see how this operating system runs on my Dell Inspiron. I forgot what the numbers is. T4200? No, that's really wrong. It's a Dell Inspiron, and it has a Intel Celeron M, 32-bit, and I want to see how it runs. It's a 1.7 GHz CPU, 1 core, 1 thread. It can't run Windows 10 32-bit. The reason why is it goes over and gives a blue screen, though it can run Windows 8 32-bit, but I can actually install Windows 10 32-bit if it is the version 1607 or older. Anything newer doesn't work. So I want to see what happens with that, but I'm currently in Florida, 2,500 miles away from that computer, so that will be for later, maybe next week. I was just curious and I figured it out. It is a Dell Inspiron 1300. I actually used this CPU in this laptop up until around 2022 because it was doing what I needed, which is watch YouTube. It was running Windows XP and I was using a browser called MyPal. It worked pretty decently. I couldn't get Linux to work, but maybe just maybe, this operating system might work. Either way, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.